So I'm going to look at MagicPost today, this AI tool for creating posts. So I'm logged into MagicPost. MagicPost, it's a generator, and we can choose the post type: actionable, inspiring, introspective, promotional. Let's do, I don't know, actionable. Category, so they have a few different categories: explanation, analysis, best practices, striking advice, list of advice, rules, etc., useful resources, company sagas. Best practices, a subject or draft. So the 5 most important SEO, I've noticed 6 common traits among successful managers. So these are some examples. So what do we want to talk about in this post? So I was thinking how best to use the data from Google Search Console to help optimize your website. Okay, let's hope that's enough. And let's go to advanced settings. What's going on here? Writing style: humorous, emoji preferences, a lot English. Well, I'm not sure if this would be a humorous post. Let's say engaging, formal, optimistic, casual. Let's say engaging. Google Search Console can be a dry topic. All right, let's click confirm. And just before, I wonder, put articles or YouTube videos into posts, templates, create posts based on templates, revamp. Okay. So now that we have the type or the generator, oh dear. Oh, interesting. Template, revamp, type. Okay, let's go back to type. All right, so we fill this in. Now let's click let's go and see what happens. Well, it's doing its thing. All right. Oh, so this is the post. Nice. Oh. Okay, interesting. All right. Google Search Console is your website's secret weapon. All right, nice. Now, so we've created a post. Now let's go to my post. And there it is. Excellent. Well, that wasn't so bad. So that's how you create a post with MagicPost. Now, obviously, we'll probably want to do some editing to it, but it's given some structure, which is fun. And we saw that we can actually schedule the post, or actually post the post directly to, or publish it directly to LinkedIn after we actually log into LinkedIn through the settings. So we can schedule it and then we can see which ones are published. So I haven't actually done that, but those features are there. And again, I'm on some free trial, and we have a total of 7 posts that you can use within the free trial, which is great. So we've created a post, we've looked at the generator, and now perhaps in the next video we'll look at the ideas.